How to connect Disney Plus to PS4. I'm going to tell you how easily to set up your Disney Plus to your PlayStation 4. First, install the Disney Plus app, turn on your PlayStation 4, make sure that it is connected to the internet, and just go to the PlayStation Store from the home screen. In the search bar, just type in Disney Plus and select the application. Click download and wait for the installation to finish. Log in to your Disney Plus account. Open the Disney Plus app. Select Log In. Enter your email and password, or you can just scan the QR code to sign in from your cell phone. If you don't have an account yet, sign up on the Disney Plus website before you log in. Unfortunately, you cannot sign up from here. But once you are logged in, browse the library of movies and shows including Marvel, Star Wars, and Pixar. You may also use your DualShock 4 controller to navigate and adjust subtitles or audio settings.